Welcome to ChicagoPartyPlace.com. This instruction will teach you how to place a delivery order using our website. Before you begin, scroll all the way to the bottom of our homepage and click on Delivery Information. This will provide you with rental minimum information that will vary depending on the date. Once you've gotten all that information in your system, click on All Rentals and Order by Date. We're going to choose our date and our time first. In this case, we're going to use the date of our party being on January 23rd. When we input our dates and our times, our date and time will always be 8 a.m. on the date you wish to have delivery and noon on the date you wish to have pickup. These are not exact times that we will deliver or pick up. They are rather inventory times our system needs to recognize that equipment is unavailable for others. You will find that a least expensive delivery option is for a weekday delivery. So since our party is going to be on the 23rd, we're going to go ahead and have it delivered on the 22nd. Our rental minimums are different on that date, and the delivery charges are different on that date. 8 a.m. on the date of delivery, and since we're going to have that equipment for a Saturday party, you'll need to schedule a Sunday pickup. So you're going to click this blue box that says multi-day, change that to Sunday, and noon on the date of pickup. If you use any other times, you are subject to receive inaccurate inventory availability. Once you've gotten those dates and times secured, we're going to go into the category that contains the items we need. Let's put some tables and chairs in our cart so we can have a festive party where people can sit down and eat and mingle and talk. First thing we're going to add are some tables. So we're going to scroll down until we find the tables we want and click on Add to Cart. And the next page will allow us to change the quantities. Please keep in mind that if I am adding quantities that are greater than 1 to my cart, and the quantity that the computer shows is lower than what I need, it's because that's all that's available of that type of equipment. You may need to select a different type of equipment. Here we have the option of either adding some other things to our cart, continuing to shop, or checking out. You know what? I'm going to continue to shop. I'm going to add some chairs to the mix. Black chairs should do us just fine. So we're going to add those to our cart, and we'll change that quantity to 50. We'll change this to Deliver. We'll make this Dalton, just for kicks and giggles. And we'll go with an email address and hit Continue. The next page, after we hit Checkout, is our billing information page. So we're just going to key in some information here. Scroll. Put in a phone number. We do ask that you give us multiple phone numbers and not the same one. We'll put in an address. And how did you hear about us? The next page is our event info page. We'll just say that this is going to be in our backyard, and the billing address and the event address are the same, so we'll click on Same as Billing. Setup surface applies to inflatables. If you have a bouncy house or something of that nature, then you would want to answer that question. If not, just leave it at I have no inflatables. The next question says, please provide us with an alternate contact person. This is good if you're at a venue or something to that effect where there's a contact person at that place that we need to make contact with to secure availability. If not, if it's at your home, you can leave it at NA, which is non-applicable. The next one applies to public parks, places. If you are at a park, you'll need to scroll down and click on the one that applies to you. If not, leave that as does not apply. Optional damage waiver, we'll leave it up to you to read that section and decide if you want to include or exclude the optional damage waiver. Reminders, these are critical. Please read these very clearly and make sure you have a thorough understanding of what they're saying to you, even if they don't apply. After all that's said and done, we're going to hit Continue. And that's going to take us to our payment page. In this case, you have the option of paying 50%, which is your non-refundable reservation fee, or you can pay all of it. This includes your taxes, your travel fee to Dalton, which is delivery charges, and your damage waiver fee if you wanted to include that. Once you've made your payment, on the screen that follows, you will receive a receipt from us that allows you to digitally sign your contract, and you're all set. If you have any questions, you can reach us at info@chicagopartyplace.com. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.